Well, folks, I don't usually do videos, but here's one. This is the 1/72nd scale F4 Phantom F4J, and this is a 1/72nd kit, which is very. I'm impressed by the amount of detail on the surface. Um, I have here the lower part of the model, and let me see if I can. You can see all the detail right there. Myself, I'm not a rivet counter, but you can see how nicely done this model is for the scale. And this part over here kind of reminds me of the Tamiya 1/32nd scale I built about 4 years ago, including these parts over here. Here are the ejection seats. Very nice detail for the cockpit. The wheels are very nicely detailed as well. Here are the wings. And the main top of the cockpit is right here as well. You can see the detail. Let me see if the phone is able to focus here. Yeah. Look at the wing details over here. You move around. I have to once again thank Model Rectifier for this copy. And if the 148 scale was 148 kit was a hit, this one is another one, because honestly, the detail is all over the place. Look. I am thinking of building this one in flight. Not sure yet. The only letdown in this kit, as with the other 1/72nd scale that they have released recently, is that they don't have an open canopy. So if you want to display your cockpit, you went the extra mile building the cockpit with extra detail. There's no way to display it with the cockpit open. So that's a big letdown. And like I said, this happened also on the F-18 and the F-14, I believe. Here are the weapons. Very cleanly molded. I like them a lot. Well, guys, thanks for looking. I'll keep you posted. Thanks.